Hey, what's up? Just here in my garage. I'm just kidding, this isn't my garage. Hashtag Ty Lopez. All right, so we're doing a walkthrough today of a 1,400 square foot home in Pearl River, Louisiana. This is a new market for us, but we're gonna give it a shot. They're asking $87,000 for this house. It is listed on the market, it's bank owned. I'm showing you guys this one because it'd be a great first time rehab. This is an example of a great first time rehab. It doesn't need a lot, it just needs cosmetics. So we would do all new floors because these floors are really beat up. We'd have to do new cabinets and probably appliances. I mean, it depends on how clean we could get them. So the trick with these kind of rehabs is you don't need to make them look amazing, you just need them to be clean. And that's because they're most likely gonna be a first-time home buyer or a rental for somebody. So this thing, because it is a 4-bed, 2-bath, could probably rent for $1,400 to $1,500 a month. Fireplace. You could do something other than pink tile there for pretty cheap. All the windows are boarded up. Well, that was just broken, but it's double pane windows. It's got a big backyard, fenced in on 2 sides. So we'd probably get a lot of value out of adding a fence there because a lot of people who live here have animals and kids. And so it'd be great. Be a great property for them. Got like a canal back there with some barbed wire. Roof looks like it's in good shape, although there is a buckle up there by the roof vent. But I didn't see any signs of leaking. Ooh, hopefully it didn't leak. Okay. All right, so new floors, new cabinets. The tiles coming up. Probably paint everything. Get all the popcorn ceilings down. You see some moisture damage right there. Coming from the AC return. It's probably just condensation. Just need to get cleaned up and painted. No power, but got some wallpaper with some like faux finish on there that we would just probably skim coat it with, you skim coat it with some drywall mud and then paint it. So in here, it just needs new carpet and paint. These doors are in good shape. We would just hang those up, paint all the trim, get some new lighting fixtures. You know, you're probably not looking at more than $20,000 to fix this thing up. As far as like a sales price when it's all fixed up, I don't know. I'd have to look at this neighborhood. I mean, at least $130,000. Here's the master bathroom. Probably replace that vanity. Toilet, keep the toilet. Keep the tub. Maybe replace this. This is like a cultured marble backsplash. We don't have to replace that. I mean, it's not even that dirty. Maybe just recaulk it. You recaulk it and clean it real good. Pretty big closet there. Yeah, so that's it. Like I said, this would be an easy first rehab for somebody when you're just replacing flooring, painting. No repairs need to be done, just cosmetics. You can get in and out in a month or two, depending on if you're using help or if you're just doing it yourself, and maybe $20,000, and you could be renting this thing out. You know, you'd probably be in it for no more than $100,000. And then you could rent it out for up to $1,400 a month, which that's a pretty good return. Or you could probably sell it at around $130,000. You know, after closing costs and everything, you make $20,000. But here's the front. Be a pretty good investment for somebody. Sadly, this is already under contract. So if it falls through, maybe we'll put in an offer. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Later. What's up, Mark?